Hi friends, this video shows how to increase internal storage of this Google TV streamer 4K device using USB flash drive. And here you can see I am using this multi-port USB hub. This hub I have connected to Google TV streamer 4K using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see the power cable that is connected to this USB hub in this PD in port. And here you can see the USB flash drive. Here I am going to use this USB flash drive and increase the internal storage of Google TV Streamer 4K device. Go to TV, then set all settings from top right corner. Go down, set system. Go to storage. Here you can see two sections, device storage or internal storage, then removable storage. Right now you can see this USB flash drive under removable storage. So I need to convert this to internal storage or device storage. Set sandisk USB drive. Here you can see two options, set up as a removable storage or set up as device storage. So here I need to select set up as device storage, then format. Now it's formatting this USB flash drive. Please wait. Okay, done. And here you can see two options, move now, move later. Using this move now option, we can move photos, files, apps and games from this Google TV Streamer 4K device to this USB flash drive. That way we can create some free space in this Google TV Streamer 4K device. Let me go back and check the size. See, now you can see this SanDisk USB drive under this device storage. That means right now this SanDisk USB drive is a device storage. If you select this SanDisk USB drive, here you can see app section, photos and videos section, audio, downloads, available, cached. That means right now this SanDisk USB drive is a internal storage or device storage. Okay, so you can try this. If you want to manually move some apps to this SanDisk USB drive device storage, there is an option. You can go back to settings, then select apps, go to see all apps, and you can select supported app. For example, let me select Netflix, then you can check storage used. Here you would get an option to move app to that newly added USB flash drive if this app supports that new device. This way you can manually move apps to that new USB flash drive. You can try that as well. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.